Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amit. This is the very first video of the Python series. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to download Anaconda. So let me tell you what Anaconda is. So Anaconda is an open source Python distribution which is specially used by data scientists on machine learning engineers. Anaconda comes with various tools such as Python, RStudio, Jupyter Notebook. Yeah, Jupyter Notebook is one of the favorite tools for any machine learning engineer. Also, Jupyter Notebook is very good for learning Python and keeping track of it. So let's quickly jump on to any of the browser and let's start downloading Anaconda. So I'll just open my Chrome and just write anaconda.com, hit enter. So this is the website. I'll go to products, this individual edition. So this is the page where we are going to download our software. So just scroll down, come to here. Yeah, this is the page. Here, this Anaconda installer is available for all Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So whatever, depending on what your OS is and what your configuration is, you can download 32-bit or 64-bit. So yeah, if you don't know what your configuration is, just quickly go to this PC and right click and go to properties. Here you can see your system configuration. So mine is 64-bit, so I'll just close it, minimize it, and then I'll just click on this download link and it will automatically start downloading. As you can see, it has already started downloading. So it will take some time to download depending on how fast your internet is. So let's wait for some time, and so until it is downloading, let me tell you one thing about me. I might fumble a bit in the middle, just like I did now. So please bear with me. So guys, as you can see, my download is complete already. So I'll just click the location where my file is downloaded. So this is the location. So just double click on it and it should open soon. So just click on run. So yeah, click on next. I agree. Next again. So here, this is the destination folder where the Anaconda will install. So for me, I've already installed Anaconda, so I add the same path. So if I give this path, it will throw me an error. As you can see here, the moment I click on next, it will throw me an error. See, this folder is not empty because I've already installed it at this location. So I'll just choose a different location. But for you guys, I'll recommend to keep it as default, so that in case of anything you can debug it, or it will be good to debug. So I'll just create a new folder named as Anaconda test. Not here. Okay, just click on next. So this is the most important part of the installation. So if you have never installed Python or Anaconda in your system, just click check on this. No, the moment you click on check, it says that this is not recommended. So what happens is, if you have any previous version of Anaconda installed in your system, then you need not check it. But if you are downloading it for the first time, you just check it. So what it does is it adds Anaconda 3 to the environment variable path, so that you can call your Anaconda anytime from your command prompt itself. So just click on install and it will start installing. I'll not click on install because I've already installed Anaconda. So let me just click on this, and yeah, it will take some time for you to download. Sorry, my bad. Like I told you, my English is not that good. So it will take some time for this to install. So please wait for some time. It may take some 15 to 20 minutes. So just wait for the time. Meanwhile, I'll just close this because I don't want some another version of software running in my system I'll simply close this Anaconda installer, because Anaconda is already installed in my system and I don't want some other version of Anaconda installed again in my system. So I'll just simply end this, terminate this thing. Okay. So just click on next, and that's it. It will finish. So once the installation is done, just simply go to start, search for Anaconda, and here you can see this Anaconda navigator. Just click on this, and it will take some time to load, but okay. So let it initialize and let it load. So we'll wait for some time. So now we can see Anaconda Navigator is running, and so the tools available inside here are, we can see this is Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Live Spider, Orange 3, VS Code Art Studio. All these are tools which are present inside an Anaconda Navigator. So yeah. So now let's just go to command prompt, type CMD and just press enter. Um, Type Python space hyphen version. So here you can see I'm using Python 3.8. So now we'll just quickly hop onto the installs. Here you can see we need not install Python 3.8 explicitly. So Python comes with this Anaconda package. So yeah, here we can see the version of our Python. So that's all from the video. Have a good day. Thank you.